Welcome to the Learning Lab class, Instagram for Beginners. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create an account, the difference between private and public accounts, linking up with friends, and exploring different or similar niche accounts of interest to you. Let's get started. So we have already downloaded the Instagram app, which can be found in your iTunes or Google Play Store, depending on if you have Apple or Android. You will be able to sign up for an account, either enter your phone number or email address, or if you already have a Facebook account, you may sign in through that. If we choose phone, you will enter your phone number and you will receive a unique code sent to your device, or through an email, and a unique link will confirm that email. The next page will allow us to add our name. You may enter your real name if you want your friends to find you, or use something else if you wish to remain more anonymous. All of this can change at a later time, so no worries if you change your mind. Then enter a password that you will remember. Feel free to save it in your device's keychain for future auto logins. Next, quickly add in your birthday, or a date that you will remember. This will not be publicly shown, but simply there to assist you should you ever forget your password. They will auto-generate a username for you, and you may change this as well at a later time. It will see if you want to connect your Facebook account. They are owned by the same company, so it is a seamless transition, and this will make it easier for you to find your friends on Instagram. We will skip this step for now. The next page will allow you to select an avatar, or profile picture. You will have to grant permission for Instagram to utilize your phone or device's camera roll. So we are going to select add a photo, and our options are to either add a photo from Facebook, choose a photo from our camera roll, or simply take a photo right then and there. So we're going to choose from the library from a photo taken, and once we have selected our photo and we are happy with its size, we're going to click next with the right arrow. Next, we are at the page where Instagram starts to suggest popular business or professional accounts that we could follow. They have a wide range of very popular accounts, surely to pique any user's interest, with the hope that at least a few of these will appeal to you. So let's go ahead and follow a few. And when we are done, we will click Next. Okay, you are finally set up. And now we are at your home page. See the house in the lower left-hand corner? That signifies home page, or your newsfeed. From here you will be able to scroll down by swiping up, and you may see the pictures in your feed. If something is of interest to you, simply give it an arbitrary like by double tapping it, and a red heart fills up. That enables you to see more similar content, and Instagram will continue to refer similar posts that appeals to you. You may also leave a comment on a picture if you'd like by clicking the dialog box. Feel free to type something in and click post it. There's also this paper airplane where if you click it, you could forward this post to someone you follow. So we will send this to The Rock. Hopefully he enjoys it. There is also a magnifying glass, which will take you to the Explorer page or Discover page. Here you may enter an Instagram account name, aka handle, and find people you would like to follow. For this example, we will follow Arcadia Public Library as our friend. And there we are. Once it pops up, we will click the blue Follow tab. Now that we are following, it will generate a list of other similar accounts that might be of interest to us. Lastly, to find other similar content of interest, you may use the hashtag feature, also known as the number symbol or #. From here you can simply type in a word that is likely tagged by other users, such as #arts and crafts. And here are the top results for arts and crafts and similar hashtags like it. As you can see, it's very popular. Once we select it to add to our photo or to search for that subject, it's sorted by the top pictures or videos with that hashtag, or we could look it up by most recent posts using that hashtag as well. That's just a quick example. We also have your profile in the lower right icon. As you can see, you can change your profile picture if you don't have one, which we already took care of. You may edit your profile as well by changing your username. Like I had mentioned, you could have done this later or beforehand. You can also include your pronouns, link to a website, and also write a little bio about yourself, which we'll do right now. Lastly, let's explore the settings page. You will click on the lower right hand corner of your avatar. From here, click on the top 3 lines and go ahead and visit settings. From here, we'll check out the privacy settings. You may wish to make your account private or public. Most people keep this private, and you may accept follow requests as they come in. However, public is recommended should you have a business account. A public account will allow other users to see what photos or videos that you're sharing. But you're more than welcome to toggle back and forth between the two. So in this video, we took a look at setting up an Instagram account and navigating the homepage, as well as finding friends or accounts that interest you. Join us for our next video, where we're going to learn how to post pictures on our pages and features we can utilize with it. Feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to library staff if you have any additional questions.